Hey, guess where I just found this? How did you know? So what in the world can I make out of a gas can? I thought about it. I like to make things that are useful and also something that I need. So the one thing I did think of is a new stool. I mean, how boring is this? Wouldn't it be nice to have a gas can stool? Right, that's what I thought. Let's do it. I bought this air chisel at Harbor Freight for only 12 bucks. Shout out to my cousin Bob for this great idea. It makes quick work of removing lids. Now that I've got the lid off the can, well, that was the easy part. Next up, I'm gonna have to build a base and a top. But not just a base and a top, I'm also gonna need something in between, some internal structure, so that if somebody comes along who's a few pounds heavier than me, well, this won't collapse.
Like me.
Yeah, like him. The can is very rusty inside, and after wire brushing it, it removed so much rust that it left a hole in the bottom. No worries, I've got a fix for that. With a little dishwasher detergent and water, we now have clean dirt. I'll never get it perfectly clean, but that's part of the character of the can. It's got a history, and somebody even scratched their name here on the side. The bottom of the can will be sandwiched with wood, but I'm still going to treat the rust with Ospo, which is going to neutralize it and keep it from spreading. I picked up this kitchen table a couple of months ago in the alley with a nice 1-inch thick top. I had no idea what I was going to use it for, but I do now. I'll cut it into pieces to use for the base and the seat top. I'm actually going to need to cut 2 circles for the top, one on the inside and another for the top of the can. For the top of the seat, I've got a little flexibility on the sides, and I found this 13-inch diameter bowl that's going to work just fine. After cutting out the top on my bandsaw, I grabbed the router to finish it off with a nice rounded edge. So I've got all my pieces cut. The holes are pre-drilled. Now this wasn't very easy. It actually took a lot of time and a lot of planning to get everything lined up just right. But we're ready to start putting this together. So here it is, a can for my can. You can buy yourself a boring stool like this, or you can make yourself an awesome one like this. Well, thanks for watching Alley Picked, where I always make cool stuff from junk. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on the bell and you'll be notified when I release a future video. Until next time, I'll meet you in the alley. Taking the lid off the can, well, that was the easy part. Now what we've got to do is build a... Sit down.